seconds.
Once you're in that start gate, you're by yourself.
Yeah, T. Come on, T, let's go.
My whole body's tense.
Kind of feel my heart racing. There's no turning back.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's just really symbolic of racing and something that always gives me like little chills to think about it.
It's totally quiet in your own mind, but it's probably incredibly loud.
If there's wind in my ears, I can feel that speed. It makes me want to go, 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 faster, faster.
It's hard to always use your eyes to focus because there are always a lot of ripples and a lot of bumps, and you always use your ear to make sure you're in balance.
When you really get in a good tuck, you can hear it. I mean, you can hear the lack of noise.
It's pretty serene, actually.
The other stuff that you hear is definitely your skis and your edges on the ice. I think it's accentuated by the fact that it's directly related to the vibration that it sends up into your ankles, knees, and legs.
I tend to have mental cues, and I also tend to talk out loud. There's little things I say to myself, just like, be direct, be tight. If I mess up, sometimes I'm cursing.
Big air, it's like whoosh, and then a smack when you hit the ice because you probably drop 20 feet out of the air.
I've had plenty of crashes. It's almost like your heart stops, time stops. And when you're in the air, it's just completely quiet.
Then it's straight to the finish, and then you just gotta stop, and then hopefully your ears hurt from the crowd yelling for you after a good run.
Yes.